everybody, and welcome to the First Step Act YouTube channel. I'm Bruce Cameron, former BOP, retired BOP, South Central Region Office Program Specialist. I'm here with Jose Santana. What did you do for the BOP?
I retired last year in 2018, 2017, from the Designation and Census Computation Center. I was the chief there, Bruce. 7.5 years. My career was 26.5 years, Federal Bureau of Prisons.
All right, mine was just under 24. We've worked in numerous capacities, numerous institutions, male, female institution. I've worked 6 years in a female institution. And también las palabras.
Se habla español. We do our services in Spanish also. So, español para aquellas personas que no hablan el inglés muy bien, no fluyen con el idioma. Estamos aquí para servirle en español también.
Órale. So we know that a lot of our constituents and inmates speak Spanish, and we're here for that very significant contingent part of our population in the Federal Bureau of Prisons. So this channel is going to be a great resource for everybody, for attorneys, for families, for potential defendants. We're going to explain a lot about the First Step Act and what it is and what it is not, and some of the things, I won't say limitations, but you're just going to have to be patient as this act finally takes full form and gets rolled out. I know right now we're in 2019. We finished one government shutdown. We hope another one isn't forthcoming.
I hope not.
But folks, we just got to be mindful of that shutdown and how that kind of slowed some things down with the Bureau of Prisons. But again, this channel is going to be your #1 resource. Also see us on Facebook. There's a First Step Act Facebook page that we have already up right now. You can request to be a member. I'm the administrator. I'll let you in and we can have a forum there. And also you can reach us at our Gmail. It's Federal Prison Authority BOP@gmail.com. Feel free to reach us there with any questions. And of course, our website, federalprisonauthority.com. I think it's a very clear and fairly comprehensive website of all the services that we do. And let's face it, I mean, I think every incoming federal inmate is going to probably need or benefit from a prison consultant just because of so many changes and what's going on in the Bureau of Prisons. So you want to be able to do your time effectively. We're not going to talk about prison safety and all that other stuff that some of the ex-con consultants do. We don't do that. We're going to talk about straight up policy, programs, time cuts, what's the difference between First Step Act, Second Chance Act, how you can get more RRC, what you need to get into RDAP, and a lot of other things, and even things with aliens and non-U.S. citizens. So we'll talk about that as well. So
and basically, as prison consultants, we're going to focus on the First Step Act, the discussion on how it impacts the Department of Justice, the sentencing aspect of it, the compassionate release, the elderly releases, good conduct time versus earned time credits, initial designations conforming the First Step Act, transfers conforming that, and some of the aspects of the law that do not apply to federally incarcerated individuals.
Right. And remember, there's several components to the First Step Act. We're not litigators. There is a litigation component. We have attorneys that you can speak to about that, but we're prison consultants and we deal exclusively with the post-conviction aspects of the First Step Act and anything and everything in terms of Federal Bureau of Prisons issues. So we focus on that back end exclusively. However, if you did have other questions, we can refer you to competent legal experts, licensed attorneys that can assist you with those legal questions on the front end early on in the case. So anything else?
Right, and it's important to understand how the impact of the First Step Act is going to take effect on many of the cases that are pre-trial right now, that are going through the process, and how that's going to apply retroactively and retrospectively in the future, the applications of all these aspects of the provisions of the First Step Act.
So stay tuned to our channel. We're going to keep it going. We're going to shoot a few more videos here real soon, and check back on the channel. We'll have updates as they occur, and we're in frequent contact with lots of folks on a weekly basis. This is what we do, so we're here for everybody as a resource, and we'll keep it going. So again, thank you for listening to us. Stay on the playlist, federalprisonauthority.com. Email is federalprisonauthority@gmail.com. Don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll tell you what we can and work with you.